How to unblock someone on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of menu. Once you land to the menu page, at the top right corner you will find the settings icon. Click on it. Now over here you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. Under audience and visibility, you will find the option of blocking. Go ahead and click on it. Now in this page, you're going to find your block list. In this page, you're going to find your block list. In order to unblock anyone, all you have to do is click on the option of unblock. Click on unblock. With that, the person has been unblocked. By applying the same process, you can unblock other users as well. So this way, you can easily unblock someone on Facebook. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.